Hello everyone, welcome to 72 Portfolio Intelligence. Today we'll discuss some of the leading cryptocurrencies. But first let's talk about what is a cryptocurrency. A cryptocurrency is decentralized digital money that uses cryptographic encryption and can be held as a part of investment strategy. This currency can be traded without any intermediaries like banks. Cryptocurrencies are not issued and regulated by any government, banks or any centralized authority. It works with blockchain technology, which is very similar to a ledger in a bank, and every currency has its own blockchain. Now you must be wondering, what is a blockchain? Don't worry, we got you covered. Blockchain is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manages, verifies, and records every transaction. All these transactions are encrypted and safely stored by using strong cryptographic techniques and never been hacked, and the core of the software is open source platform which is being used by computer scientists and cryptographers. Now that we understand what cryptocurrencies and what blockchains are, let us understand how cryptocurrencies work. So, unlike traditional currencies, there is no central authority that manages and maintains the value of these currencies. Now, this system allows investors to transact globally and 24/7 with very low transaction costs. Even so, a fraction or part of cryptocurrency can be bought or sold. There is no need to buy the whole coin, unlike the equity stocks of a company. These cryptocurrencies are also being used as a hedge instrument in portfolios to diversify the risk as they are not tied into any financial institution or government. The idea behind cryptocurrencies is to eliminate middlemen and gatekeepers of traditional financial system and the problems caused when you transact through them. Now let us discuss some of the leading cryptocurrencies in the cryptocurrency universe. The most popular one is Bitcoin. So it is the first digital currency in the world that was created by Satoshi Nakamoto. It was introduced in October 2008 through a white paper. The main purpose of the evolution of Bitcoin is to eliminate the problems caused with transactions made to financial institutions. These problems include long processing time, high fees, fraud transactions, limit to transaction amount, dependency on third party, and the timing of institutions. Usually there are three ways to obtain Bitcoin or any type of cryptocurrency. First is buying from its exchange. Second, you receive them as a payment for any goods or services sold. Third is mining. Mining is very difficult and requires sophisticated infrastructure and specialized computers. Let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is the second most popular currency in the crypto universe. It is a technology that lets you send cryptocurrency to anyone for a small fee. Ethereum builds on Bitcoin's innovation as it is the world's programmable blockchain. This means Ethereum is for more than payments, it is a marketplace for financial services, games that can't steal your data or censor your data. Our next cryptocurrency is Cardano. It is also called ADA as it is named after Ada Lovelace, a 19th century mathematician who is recognized as the first computer programmer. It is a proof of stake blockchain platform which is less energy sensitive than a proof of work algorithm relied upon by Bitcoin. Next up, Tether. Tether is a cryptocurrency backed by currencies. It converts cash into digital currency to anchor the value of price of national currencies like the US dollar, the euro, and the Chinese yuan. Every Tether token is always 100% backed by the reserves of currencies and cash equivalents. The value of these reserves is published daily and it either matches or exceeds the value of all Tether tokens in circulation. Our next cryptocurrency is Binance Coin. BNB is the cryptocurrency that powers the Binance ecosystem. As one of the most powerful utility tokens, not only can you buy or sell Binance Coin like any other cryptocurrency, but BNB has a wide range of applications and benefits. BNB is burned quarterly to permanently reduce its supply and in turn increase its value. Our next cryptocurrency is Solana. Solana has been gaining popularity recently because of its speed and scalability. It has moved to an all-time highs, making its place at the 6th rank in the cryptocurrency universe. Solana is an open source project implementing a new high performance and permissionless blockchain. It claims to be the fastest blockchain in the world, which can currently handle 50,000 transactions per second. Our next cryptocurrency is Ripple. XRP is a digital asset built for payments. It is a native digital asset on the XRP ledger, which is an open source, permissionless, and decentralized blockchain technology. It can settle transactions in 3 to 5 seconds. Next cryptocurrency is Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on a popular Doge meme and features a Shiba Inu on its logo. It is an open source digital currency that was forked from Litecoin in December 2013. Its creators pride itself as a fun and friendly cryptocurrency. It is favored by Tesla's CEO, who posted several tweets about it on social media. Next is USD Coin. USD Coin is a fiat-based stablecoin that brings stability to crypto. It is a stablecoin that is pegged to US dollar on a one-for-one basis. Every unit of this cryptocurrency in circulation is backed by a US dollar that is held in reserves in a mix of cash or short-term US Treasury bonds. Polkadot. Polkadot or DOT is a unique crypto that enables cross-blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset and not just tokens. Connecting to Polkadot gives the user the ability to interoperate with a wide variety of blockchains in a Polkadot network. Next is Uniswap. Uniswap is a protocol for creating liquidity and trading ERC20 tokens on Ethereum. It eliminates trusted intermediaries and unnecessary forms of rent extraction, allowing for fast and efficient trading. Last but not the least, Binance USD. Binance USD is a one-for-one US dollar backed stablecoin approved by the New York State Department of Financial Services, issued in partnership with Paxos. These are digitized US dollars and are always purchased and redeemed at 1 Binance USD for 1 US dollar. It is supported on both ERC20 and BEP2. If we talk about the technical analysis of cryptocurrencies, we can see Bitcoin is currently trading at $46,141. We can see it is trading below its 9-day and 20-day moving averages, but it is trading above its 50-day and 200-day moving averages. So we can say that there is a long-term bullish bias in the market, but overall technical analysis of Bitcoin seems to be bearish in nature. Before we wrap up this video, let us talk about the scope for cryptocurrencies. So cryptocurrencies are becoming one of the alternative to the traditional banking system and the currencies issued by the government. These currencies have advantages over previous payment systems. Recently, many popular companies started accepting cryptocurrencies to purchase and sell goods and services. Now, 25% of the world transactions are estimated to be based on cryptocurrencies by 2040. The soaring of Bitcoin and few other cryptocurrencies in the recent periods have grabbed the attention of stock market investors and common people to think about investing in cryptocurrencies. With the advancement of technological resources, we can expect cryptocurrencies to have a great future. To learn more about cryptocurrencies, visit www.72pi.ai/crypto.